This is before email, the internet, social media, and all these kinds of things. I sat down and we started making these cold calls immediately. At the end of the first day, I was like, what have I got myself into? I just don't see how this is going to equal success. It was eye-opening. And I'm like, oh my God, I've got these obligations. I'm in debt up to my eyeballs. I'm bankrupt and homeless, even in my father-in-law's basement, all my family, all this money that I borrowed. I'm like, oh my God, I got a mistake. Fortunately, I had sold my house, had to flash sell it. I had a special kind of loan on it. The mortgage was a non-escalating, non-qualifying, assumable loan. Back in the day, FHA and VA loans, if you got one of those on your home, you could sell your home and whoever was buying it could take over or assume the mortgage without having to qualify.